Hello everyone, it has been a long time since I've done a video on Turbo Attax, and I went to Silverstone yesterday and I got two big bundles of the Turbo Attax 2025, so yeah, I'm going to open some. I'm going to do it in two videos. This was the £40 pack, and then you got the Lando Norris gold card as well, so yeah, let's get into it, I guess. You got the starter pack, and then this one is, I don't know what this is, but you get more packs in here. So, yeah, let's start with these ones. These are just the regular packs. So, this is what they look like. So, we've got Charles, Max, George, and Lando and Carlos. If you haven't watched my videos before, George Russell is a bit of a meme on my channel. I throw all George Russell cards, and that is going to continue this year. Sorry, not sorry. So, going in completely blind to this, by the way. I've not even researched any of the cards or anything, or what they look like, but they kind of have this kind of slightly textured look to them. You see? And then they've got the circuit on this one is glossy. Okay, so we have the Austrian Grand Prix. Is that the Austrian Grand Prix? Strategy, everyone's favourite kind of cards. We have Aston Martin. We have Ferrari, Charles and Lewis. Another strategy card, which is exactly what everyone wants. We have Ollie Behrman. We have Gabriel Bortoleto. Is this classed as an F2 card? Oh, it's a champion card. That's a cool card. Like that. Oh, we have Sir Jackie Stewart, Icons of the Grid, which I'm guessing this is a new set for the year. It's quite good. And then we have Supernova, Liam Lawson. And our last card is Podium Power, Pierre Gasly. Okay, so that is our first pack. Obviously looking for all the Lando Norris cards, you know. We have Spain. We have Max and Yuki. Pretty good that they've got this updated in time. That's pretty cool. We have Charles Leclerc, hero card. Nico Hülkenberg, hero card. We have a team card. Durskin and Shields, AIX Racing. We have everyone's favourite team principal, James Vowles. We have another Ollie Behrman. This is Topps Awards. Cameo of the Year. I guess that's somebody who stood in for a race last year. We have Ferrari. Supernova Esteban Ocon. And another Esteban Ocon. Podium Power. So, pack 2, still not got any Lando cards. Oh, that might change here. This is a McLaren card at the back. So we have Max Verstappen. We have Lucas Oil Dam's card. Yeah. We have Sprint Superstar Lewis Hamilton. Alpine. We have Icons of the Grid Fernando Alonso. They're kind of cool cards, I like them. We have Luke Browning. McLaren team card. Stars of Tomorrow, Lewis Sharp. He looks like he's about 12 years old. And, our McLaren card, Oh no, there is another card at the back. So yeah, we have this one, which is the pink version of the Gabriele Bortoleto Champions card. That looks cool. That looks very cool. And then our McLaren card is the 100 Club Oscar Piastri. Still a cool card. They're really cool cards then. Yep, like that. But still, no Lando. As I said, I'm going in completely blind to this, so I don't know like what I'm supposed to be looking for. We have Charlie Wirtz. He looks like his dad. Canada. Aston Martin. We have V-Carb. Gabrielle Mini. Alex Dunn. Andrea Stella. Tops Awards, Max Verstappen. And then we have just a random F2 card. And then on the back we've got Supernova, Alex Albon. Pretty cool. I don't know how I'm feeling about these cards so far. I'm slightly leaning towards last year's as being a bit better. But I suppose I'll see when I get like a, you know, a decent like numbered card or something. Silverstone this weekend. Gabriele Bortoleto National Pride. Pretty cool. Laurent McKees. Icons David Coulthard. That's cool. Oh, holy moly. There we go. That's our first meme card. We have Joshua Dirksen, Stars of Tomorrow. Is this focused? I don't think it is. Focus. There we go. That's that one. These cards are cool. I like these. That's not focusing. It's focusing on David Coulthard's face. Let's put him over there. We have MoneyGram Haas. We have Lewis Hamilton, Supernova card. Pretty cool. And then we have Podium Power, Max Verstappen. Still no Lando card. Not even one. I've not shown you what the back of the cards look like, but I will in a second. Max Verstappen. So the cards are kind of like these bits at the bottom are matching like the team colours, which is pretty nice. Then we have Bruno Del Pino. I don't know, is he F3? I don't watch F3. Yeah, he is. I don't know this guy. We have... Oh, they didn't get time. They changed the Red Bull one, but they didn't get a chance to change the Alpine. So, still got Jack Doohan there. Pit Stop Pros. Ferrari. Gabrielle Mini. Hey, there we go. First Lando card. Yeah. So that is Zandvoort win? But we'll make a little pile of our Carlos, I got distracted by Carlos, our Lando cards. So we got Sprint, Superstar, Carlos Sainz. Tops Awards, Nico Hülkenberg, Underdog of the Season, 2024. Alain Prost, Heroes of the Grid. Icons of the Grid, sorry. And then another Nico Hülkenberg, Supernova. So that is all of the cards in that pack. Look at this stack. And yeah, so what we're going to move on to now, we'll move on to this one. Is there signature series in this one? Is this set? I've got no idea. Everything, yep. Right, so in these you get, is it 4 packs you get? 4 packs. So, and then you get one of these ones. So let's open these, see what we get. So we have Saudi Arabia. Max Verstappen. Fred Vasseur. Gabriel Bortoletto. I feel like we've got so many Gabriel Bortoletto cards. This is a rookie rising card. Strategy. Williams. Nico Hulkenberg and Gabriel Bortoletto. They are just stacked in these. Alain Prost. We've already got that one. Max Verstappen Supernova. And then Max Verstappen Podium Power. I feel like if you get one card of a certain person, you're likely to get more in the same pack. Right. This is a McLaren card. Please be Lando and not Oscar. Okay, so we have Spain. Constructors Kings Ferrari. Not sure about that. Watch them win this today. Okay, so we've got a pink card in there as well, so that's pretty cool. Montoya and Mini, team card for Prema. Arvid Lindblad. I've just seen Lando. Ayo Komatsu, we love Ayo Komatsu. There we go, Lando Norris hero card. We'll put that in our pile. RB. Icons of the Grid, Max Verstappen. Pretty nice. We have, oh. Yay. So, yeah. Signature style, okay. My first signature style is Lance Stroll. Wow. And then Oscar Piastri. Oh no. Well, we got a Lando card out of that, so we can't complain too much. Okay, so Red Bull. Jack Doohan. Kushmaini. Juan Pablo Montoya, Icons of the Grid. That's... Would you say Juan Pablo Montoya was... I suppose... I don't know. He's not somebody who I'd think of when you say an icon. But anyway. Williams. Carlos and Alex. Pit Stop Pros. Mercedes. Tops Awards, Lewis Hamilton. Alpine. We have a Tops Awards pink of Max Verstappen. That's a pretty cool card. And then Supernova Yuki Tsunoda. Why is my first signature style card Lance Stroll? And why is it a pink version as well? A pink variant. So this is our little one of these packs. I don't know what you get in there, but we'll have a look. So we have Callum Voisin. We have China. Liam Lawson. Rainmaster Pierre Gasly. That's a pretty cool card. With the rain splatter. Joshua Dirksen. We have another Lando Norris. I'll put it in my pile. We have F1 75. 2024 World Champion Max Verstappen. Opal Yuki Tsunoda. That's a pretty cool card. Limited edition. Alexander Albon Opal. And George Russell. The Opal card's cool. I like them. So that's that. Let's move on to this, which is our starter pack. I don't know what we get in here. 20 cards, 1 giant card, binder, 2 limited edition cards guaranteed inside. Okay, let's have a look. So we have our binder, all the checklist. That is a massive checklist. Also, they are doing Black Edge cards. So the Black Edge cards, there is no Lando Norris this year. Okay. But there are a lot of cards on here. So, yes, our big card is Lewis Hamilton. It's pretty nice. Then we get these two. We get Team Dynasty. Kick Sauber. Gabrielle Mini. Alexander Dunn. We get the Ruby Lewis Hamilton. That pattern is beautiful. And then Herbal. Oh, I thought it said Herbal. It says Emerald. From how I was looking at it, it looked like it said Herbal. Yeah. That's pretty cool. I like that. We love Kimmy. We love Kimmy. So, yeah, they are exclusives for these starter packs. Pretty nice. Let's see if the starter packs, again, have a signature style in them, like they had last year. That was, like, the main reason why I kept buying starter packs, is because you always got a signature style. So, DRS. An F3 card. Monza. We have Jonathan Wheatley, Jesus. Can't read. We have Rising Rookies, Jack Doohan. Oh dear. We have Charles Leclerc. We have Mario Andretti. Icon. Ritomo Mayata. We have the McLaren. We have Mercedes. Now, I'm in a bit of a pickle here because I want to throw it because George Russell's on it, but we like Kimmy, so what do? I mean, George Russell's on it, so let's get over there. Williams. Oh, yes, we have the Dynamic Duo McLaren card. That's going over here. We have Supernova Nico Hülkenberg and the Aston Martin. So you don't get a signature style in this. I got a signature style in the other one, though. In the pack of 4 cards. I got a thing in there. But yeah, that is everything I got. So, sadly, this is probably the best card that I got. Sadly. But, yeah, there we go. So, I got a few Lando cards to start off my collection. So, yeah, we'll do the other bundle or a few boxes from it next. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.